There is never a quiet moment, but always time to see one, do one, teach one. This is an endoscope. It's not the perfect machine. Things do break down. The tip is kind of like a little weak. As you can see here, I'm trying to make a turn. A close-up look at it moving. It does work. And what we're going to be doing is opening up the sunroof right about here where my index finger is at, the track, and a drain hole. You're going to need something to unclog it. So what I'm going to try to do is get some hoses to a vacuum cleaner and suck it on out. If you don't have the time to do it and you're inside and door and everything gets flooded, get yourself some tape and tape up the area. But remember, you're going to have to get all this tape glue off if it's the dead of summer. Spring and fall, you got to clean those drain plugs out. The track's inside. These weather seals, you get dirt right in. Well, I'm not delaying. I'm giving you helpful tips and hints. Hints and tips. Open she goes. Over here we want to look. I don't know if you can see that, but that is the drain hole. It was so clogged, it was smooth as butter compared to what I was trying to look and clean on out. So I'm going to have to get something to clean it out. You see that? And you see this? This is weed line. A tie wrap probably be a little stronger. I got light up there. And there's the weed thing pushing in. And I'm going to try to pull this out. If I had a pair of tweezers, I could probably get it out. So let me go see if I got a pair of tweezers. Pointy tweezers, going to go in there, pull, and go. As you can see, the fun I have trying to get in there to get it. So there I am, single-handedly trying to get it. All right, all we could do is laugh. And I spend so much time talking to my neighbors and god kids. And all I can do here is hope for the best single-handedly. And I wish you the best of all worlds trying to clean this out. And there you go. You know what this is? This is like fishing hose. I'm going to put it on top through the hole the best I can. So let's see if I could work it in there. Everything's like backwards here. Pull this back some. Almost in there. I'm going back. I have to go forward. My camera's in reverse. Go up. I'll skip all the gory details and get it in there for you. Okay, so it's in there as you can see. Right? Make myself comfortable. And I got this water container with water. I could just pump it with air. 50 pumps or so. Give a little squirt. Find a way to get this on the best you can. And you're not going to see it. But there is the hose. And we are cleaning, baby. Cleaning out that drain hole. But the water's coming back out, so I did not get it entirely. But if I wanted to, oh man, I just blew it out. My own breath blew it out. Do it one more time. Car's already wet. Blew it on out. I got more pressure than a can of air. I want you to take a look straight ahead where the camera's at. I'm going to fill this up again, and let's see if the water is coming through. As we put it through, let's see if it drains on out. There you go. So right here is your drain area, as you can see. All that water is coming out. And that, my friends, is how you take care of unclogging your drain hole with the fish line, air hose, and breath. Do you have the other side to do? Probably. So I'm going to go check it out, and that takes care of your 2020 Toyota Corolla drain hole. Have a light, fish hose, a can of water, air, or more. Enjoy. Have a great day.